What's the meaning of beeswax? Beeswax. Beeswax.
Beeswax. Beeswax. Beeswax is a natural wax produced by honeybees. It is formed by bees when they consume honey and then excrete wax from special glands on their abdomens. Beeswax is composed of various fatty acids, esters, and hydrocarbons, which give it unique properties such as firmness, plasticity, and water resistance. It has been used for centuries in a variety of applications such as candle making, cosmetics, and woodworking. In addition to its practical uses, beeswax also has symbolic significance in some cultures. For example, it is sometimes used in religious ceremonies or as a symbol of industry and hard work.